Your Honor, plap. That reminds me of the meme where it's like, I saw it like 2 days ago, where it's like, that's a good point. Unfortunately for you. Stop. Why are you like this? You know, just quote my post. Wasn't your post? I liked it. I saw it like 2 or so days ago on Twitter, and I liked it, and I'm like, I was losing it. I'm surprised I didn't repost. I was tempted. Maybe I still will in the future when I'm running out of things to post. Maybe I still will. Oh. Your Honor, I plead plap.